First, open the Settings app on your Samsung phone. Tap Connections. Then tap More Connection Settings. Next, tap VPN. If a VPN is connected, disconnect it. If you don't use the VPN, you can also remove it. Now check if your Wi-Fi internet is working. If the problem continues, go back to the Settings app. Scroll down and tap General Management. Then tap Date and Time. Turn on Automatic Date and Time. Also turn on Automatic Time Zone if the option is available. Now go back to Settings. Tap Connections. Then tap Wi-Fi. Tap the gear icon next to your connected Wi-Fi network. Tap Forget. Now reconnect to the Wi-Fi network by entering the password again. If the internet is still not working, restart your Samsung phone. Press and hold the side button. Tap Restart. Finally, connect your Samsung phone to the Wi-Fi network again. That's it. This is how you can fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet problem on a Samsung phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.